Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Edukarthik, and in today's video we are going to start with part 5 of exercise 2.5. So I have done 12 questions in till the previous video, but today I start with last 3 questions which are 13th, 14th and 15th. Let's start. So our first question, 13th question, it is saying if x plus y plus z 13th, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. We have to prove this. Okay, so let's start. We know that x plus y plus z equal to 0, so we can write x plus y equal to minus z. Yes, we can write this. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll do cubing on both sides. We'll just cube on both the sides, so it would be x plus y whole cube equals minus z cube. Now x plus y whole cube, we know the identity, x cube plus y cube plus 3x y x plus y. Now we know that x plus y equals minus z. Okay, I've told we have written this here, equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus z. So it would be minus 3xyz equals to minus z cube. Now this is minus z cube. It will come here and become plus z cube. This is minus 3xyz. It will go there and become plus 3xyz. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals 3xyz. Hence proved. Okay. Now let's see the next one. And firstly I'll erase it. Okay. Now it is saying without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. It is saying that without cubing we have to find the cubes. So simply we have to apply the identity over them. So minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay. Now we start. Now if we see this, firstly we'll do x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, these three if we add, so it will only come. Now minus 12, so it will be minus 12, and 7 and 5 are 12. So minus 12 plus 12 equal to 0. Now we know that x plus y plus z equal to 0, and we have to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3x, y and z. equals 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So 7 5 is the 35. 35 into 3, 70, 105. 105 into 12. 2 5 is 10. 2 1 is 2. 210. 105. So 0, 6, 2, 1. 1 to 6 0. That to minus 1 to 6 0 will be our answer. Now 14th question part 2. It is saying 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Same, we'll try again. We'll add all of them. X plus y plus z. Okay, so 28 minus 15 minus 13, which is 28 minus 28. Hence, once more it is 0. So, x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equal to 3x y z. 3x y z, and this is not visible. 3x y z means 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13. So 15 3 is 40. So 20, 40, 68, 68 and 80, 88, 92. 92 into 15. Firstly 28 into 3. 8 to the 16, 8 3 the 24. 3 to the 6, 7 8. 84. And into minus 15. 4 5 the 20. 5 8 the 42. 4 2. So 84, 0, 6, 8, 19, 11, 12, 1 2 6 0. And 1 2 6 0 into 13. 0 and 3, 0. 3 6 the 18. 3 2 the 6 7. 3 1 the 3. 0 8. 13. 6 1 6 3 8 0. So 16380 is our answer. Friends, now we'll come to our last question. Like area of rectangle is given, we have to find its length and breadth. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. This is the area, and we have to find length and breadth. So we'll just split the middle term. Okay, by middle term splitting. So 25a square. Now how do we split the middle term? 25 into 12. It is 300. Okay. And we have to find some solution. Okay. We have to find some solution. So that when we multiply, we have to split the 35 such that when we multiply those two, so this will come, and if we add, then this should come. Okay, so how do we solve it? What will be our factors? Firstly, let's try 300. We can write them as 20 into 15 into 20. Okay, and let's try firstly 15 into 20. Let's try. If we multiply both of them, minus 20a and minus 15a, so 20, 15, 300 a square, that too positive because minus minus is plus. So 300, and if we add 20 and 15, 35 a is coming, so this is correct. Let's solve. So what can we take common from this and this? 5a. So 5a is taken, so 5a is left inside, and minus 20a, so what will be left? Minus 4. Okay, let me erase. And now if we see these both, so 15 and 12, what is common? 3. 3 is common. 5a minus 4, because this is minus symbol. Okay, so 5a minus 3, 5a minus 4. So just let one as length and one is breadth. Let's say this is length and this is width. Okay, now let's come to our next question. It is the same question but next part. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Okay, now same process. Multiply both of these. 35, 12. Answer is 420. That too minus 420. Why? Because this is minus 12 and this is positive 35. Minus plus is minus. So minus 420. Now we have to find some solution so that when we add both of them, this will come, and when we multiply both of them, this should come. So it's sure that one should be positive and one should be negative. So let's see. If we take 28 and 28 into what should we take? Yes, 15. A is mandatory. Plus 35 y square and minus 12. See, if we add both of them, so 13y is coming, y, not a. And if we multiply both of them, 28 into 15, it is also 420. So this is also correct at the first time. So 7 can be taken common and y also. Okay, 7 5 times 35 and y is left, plus 7 4 the plus 4, again the same, and here what can we take common? 3 minus 3 taken common, 5y plus 4, so it would be 7y minus 3 into 5y plus 4. This is our answer. Now let one as length and one as breadth. Okay friends, this is done. Now in this video only this much. Our exercise 2.5 is finally completed in 5 parts. Now till then, bye bye, and I'll meet you in next class.